Hello.
Yeah,
What is DNS? Anyone? What is meant by
it's the
DNS?
domain name system, right?
Domain name?
System.
No. Domain name server. What it will do?
Sir,
What is the
it's
use of
you
this?
told right now IPv4, IPv6, IPv4, IPv6. These are all
Those are not the.
the DNS.
Yeah, yeah. So what they will do? Which converts the IP address into host name, host address, and vice versa. What is meant by host address?
Yeah, actually IP address we cannot read, right? So it will convert into host name,
Oh, yeah. What is
which is
its
easy
name?
to read.
What is its name?
So domain name server.
No, I'm asking what is host address meaning?
I don't know.
Which converts IP address into host address. See, this is IP address. See, DNS suffixes. Okay, it will connect this number into our our system name and system name into this host means uh, system name. That's it. It's not more than that. I told you IPv4 range. Okay, IPv4 range. There are like D and E also. D is for D is for multicasting, E is for research and development. Those are not, we are not going for that. See, connection specific DNS suffixes. This entire is called DNS suffix. Okay, that how we will can get that is very big. Nobody will ask you. You say like this is 128 bit. That's all. What is IPv6? The next generation of internet addresses. Okay, IPv6 is the latest version of the internet protocol. IP expand more IP system to the, it will gives the allowing them to each other expand more. Why do we need it? ఎందుకు మనకు అవసరం అంటే IPv4 older protocol has limited number of possible addresses, about 4.3 billion. I told you already. 4.3 billion systems only we can connect with IPv4. More than that means, see, now population is 9.5 billion people. Everyone has mobile almost. Okay, and computer and tablet and PDA or uh, Alexa, whatever. Each and everyone needs address, right? సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఎగ్జాస్టెడ్ అయిపోయాయి, ఈ అడ్రస్లు అయిపోయాయి కాబట్టి IPv6కి వెళ్తున్నాం మనం. కీ ఫ్యూచర్స్ కీ ఫీచర్స్ ఏంటంటే వాస్ట్ అడ్రస్ స్పేస్, సింప్లిఫైడ్ అడ్రస్, బిల్ట్ ఇన్ సెక్యూరిటీ. ఇట్ హ్యావ్ ఆల్రెడీ సెక్యూరిటీ. ఓకే, IP security will be there. Same enhanced mobility. Don't go, you go to headings only. IPv6 format. IPv6, this is IPv4 default gateway is this thing. Class D is for class D and E for research and research purpose. Only E is for research and D is for multicasting. Means one system multicasting means one system broadcasting and other systems are receiving. It's like it will happen in computer networks. You will come to know that. Okay, payload, same payload it is sending like a transmitter, cell phone tower. All mobiles are receiving the payload. Likewise, okay. Class C addresses, this you don't remember. Class D addresses starts from 224 to 239, and 240 to 255 will be Class E. How to configure Outlook? Go- How to configure Outlook? We need to go to Windows search. and search control panel where you find mail. Click on the mail, enter username, provided the user details. That's it. That you need to do. More than that. See, we need to go to Windows search menu. Windows search menu will be there at left corner for Windows 10 and at the middle of the for Windows 11. Okay. Okay, I'm going for Windows 11. Search for control panel. Control panel. See, control panel. I got. After you are getting control panel, can you uh, anywhere you'll see Outlook mail? No. At that time you need to go for user accounts. Okay. Here mail 32 is there. Mail 32 bit. Open. Okay. Open. See here open email account. These things will be specific. Okay. That you need to go and configure it. That's it. What is Outlook? What is the difference between Outlook and what is the Outlook? Anyone? What is Outlook?
Outlook is another option for email. It's a professional way to use Outlook. Normal purposely
Why
you
is it
use
so professional? What is its features other than Gmail? Uh, Google is world's number one mail, right? Why don't we use Gmail instead of Outlook? What is so use? See, Outlook has so many features than Gmail, more security than Gmail. Features like,
Okay.
for example, if you want to create a calendar, if you want to create a meeting, if you want to do a list, OneNote will be there, and mail specific mails for one persons we can that chunk we can separate, and many more things will be there in this. Gmail also we can create Meet, Google Meet. Okay, Google Classroom also we can create. Okay, we can take Google spreadsheets. Those features are there, but here these are like more professional. This is created by Microsoft. Okay, Bill Gates, Microsoft guys. This is for uh, corporate oriented. That is for regular purposes, Gmail. So they will ask a comparison like this. Okay, you need to answer. And Outlook mail is used for sending and receiving mails as like Gmail. Apart from that, along with that, we will provide the creating meetings, to-do list, and many more. What are the basic problems you will get in Outlook? These are the maximum problems I listed out. Outlook issues, Outlook unable to configure the Outlook. Sometimes we are trying to configure but it is not at all configuring. Outlook add-ins missing. Okay. Meeting status not getting changed. Means meeting status it is showing, but it hasn't changed. Okay. Outlook for some functions are disabled. Outlook emails struck outbox. Unable to receive external emails. Okay. Outlook working very slow. Troubleshooting Skype installation and uninstallation. Skype login issues. Internet Explorer hanging, unable to access website. External website access. OS slowness. These are the issues. See these application activation. Machine restart issues. Unable to log in machine. Network share path issues. Outlook password reset. How will you uh, reset the Outlook password? Hello,
Hello.
Tarun. How will
Uh,
you
uh,
how will you I mean how will you reset the Outlook password?
First, we have to open Outlook application and we have to
If you forgot the password,
go.
then how you can open? Why we will do
Okay,
reset? If you forgot password, then only we will do reset, right?
after we will apply, we will raise a ticket
No,
to the huh?
you don't raise a ticket. You are you are a IT service desk associate. You have to resolve that issue. In that manner, you need to
Okay.
see. You don't create ticket. Ticket created by the employees. He 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 asked
Uh,
that my I forgot my Outlook password. Can you reset it? Can you do it? You can do
First
it.
we have to
Uh,
go to Microsoft account.
uh,
Then we have to select the password security.
okay.
Then we can identify there with a code.
No, no. You cannot access like that. There is a repository. Active Directory you need to open. In that, find objects. Okay. In that object users, contacts and groups. In that such username. His name is, for example, John. Okay. You right click on the John and reset the password. That's how you need to do it. It will create
Okay.
a new password. Give it to that user. How to unlock the password? Same procedure, but you'll double click on the username and tick unblock and apply. That's it. Okay, what are they will ask like what are the versions Outlook? 2003, 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016. 2016 also called Microsoft O365. It have all the features. Okay, it contain the Microsoft Outlook, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Skype, OneDrive. Okay, these many features are there in that O365. It is like all in one. What is safe mode in Outlook? What is meant by safe mode? You might not know. You might not know this. I'll explain. See, whenever you cannot open, Outlook is very slow. You cannot open. It is taking so much time. At that time, there is one way to enter into the Outlook. If you want to see the mail, then you can go to older version. That is called safe mode. How you will go? Go to command prompt. Okay. Windows plus run Outlook slash safe mode slash safe mode safe mode. Some printing mistake, please don't. Okay, safe mode, then you will enter into the safe mode. Okay, so to avoid
Oh,
that slowness, what you will do is you need to go to command prompt and you need to enter this. Okay, ipconfig plus dns, it will flush. It's like a see, flush means it will go, right? You understood flush, right?
mm,
Like that it will go.
mm.
How to add add-ins Outlook. Okay, first to open Outlook, you need to go to options, then add add-ins. That's all. They will ask these three steps, you need to tell. That's all. How to configure the Outlook? Run control panel, double click on the mail. We went right, show profile, click on the profile and give the details. Remove it and add new, configure new. Then we need to give a name for the profile. How to add mailbox in the Outlook? Go to Outlook,
Can you
account,
can you
accounts.
show all this by sharing screen means it will be so
Oh, didn't I share the screen? Oh, sorry,
not
man.
like that.
No, 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 no.
If
I
you share
thought,
your screen and if you explain like pointing on that application or if you do
okay,
that
okay.
means
Okay, okay. Now you can see.
yeah.
See, go to Outlook, account settings, new, so that multiple email box can be add in Outlook. Okay. How to send?
Not like this, not like this. I'm asking like to open the application and if you show means it
No,
will
no.
be so
Those credentials I don't have. They will explain these things. If you get any doubts, they will explain afternoon. They will open a real time application. They will explain. They have credentials. Okay.
uh,
See how to recover emails. You go through these things. Okay. When our
Mhm.
system is restarting without a warning, that is a that means what the time uh, bad sector will be there for 1 KB or 2 KB. At that time, we need to replace that hard disk. Okay. For that command is chk dsk. Zero bad sector is good. After that, after scanning chk dsk, still if there is any, okay, hard disk SSD. What is the difference between a hard disk drive and SSD? Do you know?
It's SSD means what we use in external purpose, right?
No, no, no.
To
Both
save.
are same only. Both are same only. This is mechanical hard disk. Mechanical disks will be there like CDs. Okay, CDs will be there on the hard
Uh,
disk. In that data will be written. This is very slow, less memory. This is electronic hard disk. Now, currently coming this electronic hard disk. These are very fast and uh, memory is also very high. These are coming in terabytes. This is coming in GBs only. 512 GB, 256 GB like that. This is coming in nowadays uh, 16 terabytes, 32 terabytes like that. To check again SFC scan now also we can check. See, I'll show like SFC scan now. Go to SFC scan now. See, it has scanned it. SFC
mhm.
scan now. It will scan verify only scan of verify file. These are all boot directory, uh, window directory, off log file. Everyone it will checks. Okay, and it will gives like whether this is working fine or not. Okay, scanned these DLL files and all, everything is proper. So it didn't give any report log file. It is showing, it is not showing any errors or warnings, so it is working fine. Nowadays everyone is using SSD only. Okay, SSD is very high speed electronics. This is uh, mechanical mechanical hard disk. What is Microsoft Office, Tarun?
Mm, Excel, PowerPoint, and this.
Word,
Okay.
Outlook. Okay.
So
Okay, Windows 7, Windows 10. Okay,
all
Windows.
these tools are named as Microsoft Office, huh?
Yeah, yeah. See, Windows
Okay.
10 editions, Home Edition, Professional Edition, Professional Education, Education, Enterprise.
Mm.
Okay, hardware requirements. 1 GB for 32-bit operating system. 2 GB is for 64-bit. Okay, you remember like that. If system is slow, then what you need to do? If system is slow, then what you need to do? First we will delete temporary files. How we will delete temporary files? Windows plus R percentage temp percentage. Okay, percentage temp percentage. Okay.
Yeah.
See, these are all like temporary files. So you will shift to delete. Don't delete directly. Shift to delete. You do it. Control A. Shift to delete. 301 items
We
we
need
are deleting. Some items are necessary items also will be there. Those we need to skip.
we
Okay.
have to check and we have to delete, right?
Yes. No need. It will show.
Huh?
It will pop up a window. See, these are all current items.
It's only waste files are there in that.
Yeah, likewise. And if you getting an error while you are logged in with the temporary files, at that time what you need to do is, if you are getting an error while you logged in with the temp file you are logged in, so at that time you will get an error. At that time what you need to do? First you need to do win plus run. Okay, Windows plus R, then go to regedit. Okay, after regedit you need to go to local machine. Wait a second.
No.
చెప్పు. అదేమైంది అదేమైంది మీ సార్ చెప్పిండేది. ఉమ్, 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 ఉమ్. See, you need to go to H key local machine. After H key local machine, see, this is will be generally it will be like this. Then you need to go to H key local machine. Then, then where we need to go? H key local machine, software, Microsoft. Software we need to go, software. After that, Microsoft. After that, Windows NT. After that, current version. After that, uh, current version, we need to come to profile list. After that, these things we need to rename or delete if that error is coming. Again if we restart, this will download again profile list, because this profile list disturbance only, it will come. Do you remember?
Mm.
Are you getting like that? So that's the delete or rename. Windows restart without warning. Go to settings, systems, about advanced system, or system.cpl. Okay, system.cpl we need to go if Windows is restarting without warning. Okay, system.cpl. After that, in this, what we need to, where we need to go? Advanced. Advanced. In this, advanced, next, where we need to go? Settings. See, wait. Click on the system protection, hardware, advanced. Startup and recovery. You need to go to startup and recovery. Okay, startup and recovery. This is startup and recovery. Okay, in this settings, see, in this, see, default operating system, time to display list of the operating systems. So in this, automatically restart is there, right? That we need to uncheck. Okay, this option. Understood?
Okay.
Mm, that's it. Windows is not activated. Then what we need to do? We need to go to Windows command prompt. Okay, we need to copy this warmic path. We need to go to Windows command prompt. After that, we need to paste it. Okay, enter. It will give product key. This is product key.
What
Okay,
is the use of that?
see, if it
What
is
is the use
asking
of product key?
Windows, if Windows is showing here a corner, right corner, it will show like Windows is not activated, like that it will show. After that, it will
Oh,
crashes applications one by one. At that time, what we need to do is, we need to generate this product key, and we need to go to copy that product key. We need to copy that product key. We need to go to settings. Okay, we need to go to settings, Windows settings. Wait, settings, we will type on this here only, settings. After settings, Update and security we need to go. After activation we need to go. Change a product key. Okay. Here already product key we need to enter. Mine is working fine, so I don't want to disrupt it. So here we need to copy paste it. See that after that next we need to do. Okay. Tarun, are you able to follow?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Cancel. See, blue screen of death I explained you. Okay. Slow
Hmm.
performance. Okay. Slow performance. First thing what we need to do, temporary files we need to delete. After that, we need to clear the C drive using disk cleanup. We need to go to enter disk cleanup. You enter disk cleanup. So we need to
Okay.
enter the disk cleanup. Okay. It will pop up a window. Where is that? See, this will defragments. It will defragment the disk. Okay. So all we need to take OK. See, are you sure want to permanently delete? Yes, we can delete. So memory will be shrink. Okay, this is the things. Disable unwanted apps from task manager. You know, right? Task manager, how to go to task manager. This is the way to go to right click on the taskbar and click a task manager. Go to uh, processes and delete which processes you want to, which is causing more memory. Okay, CPM memory, which is taking more things. Then you remove that.
Unwanted files, we can uninstall it.
Yes.
Okay.
Network related issues. You have to go through this. Check IP config and ping commands for. Do you know ping command? In computer networks, ping command will come. What is that means? For example, one website is working or not. How we will check means we will go to this command prompt. Okay, we will
Hmm.
ping www.google.com. Google.com. Oh, comma is there. It should be full stop. See, it is replying, which means this connectivity is there. Okay. If it gives reply, then it has it established connection, as well as it is in contact. It is in connect. It will respond. Because of response only we are getting reply. Okay. That's what ping command means. If they ask,
If there is an issue, what will
you
get?
won't get reply. You won't get reply.
Okay. Okay.
BitLocker issue. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
See, Microsoft, go to Microsoft, my account, Microsoft.com. I don't have credentials. If you
Okay.
get job, then they will give you credentials. After that, go to
Okay.
device, select Windows device, click on generate BitLocker key. We can generate. If we are not able
What
to
is the
means,
purpose of creating BitLocker key and where it
wait,
will be
wait,
used?
wait 1 minute. Hello.
What is the purpose of Bitburger key?
Wait.
Hmm. Yeah, I understand now.
BitLocker key is a key
Yes,
fortage. This allows you to regain access and encrypted drive in Windows. Okay.
maybe
Even
some government files will be having a key, right? Suppose someone we have to open like PAN card, it ask a key.
Aadhaar
Yeah,
card.
yeah. Suppose bank statements, if you open bank statements, it will ask a key. So there
Right.
we have to enter our birth date and four letters of our first name, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
maybe it is like that. Yeah.
See, what are the browser related issues? See, you need to tell like clear all time history as well as cache and cookies. These you will delete.
Yeah.
Okay. Try to restart the browser setting. If still it is not going at that time, uninstall the browser and install new one. Okay, that is only the option. Okay. Don't do this repair step and all. Don't tell and do it also. Password reset. This is different based on the tool it is. Okay, you don't you if they tell like password reset, you tell like with the help of active directory only. See, whenever if you want to do password reset, then you need to ask security questions. These are the questions important. Email ID we need to ask. For example, if that laptop some employee lost it and somebody found it and he created a account, at the time we cannot give access, right? So what we do is we for confirmation purpose we will ask few details. That is like email ID, date of joining, manager's name, email address. So these are the details we need to get from the and we need to compare also. Okay.
Okay.
What do you know about bias?
No, I don't know. I don't know.
Bias is a piece of code that executes first when it triggers the operating system. See, whenever you power on, right, at that time first program will be there on the PROM. Okay, that will be executed by bias. In that some piece of code will be there that will execute first. Okay, it will check all peripherals are connected or not, all these things. Okay. Mm, okay, after this it will give to the power on self test post. That power on self test will be checking all power connections. After that it will if keyboard is not connected, mouse is not connected, then it will give an indication. After that it will trigger the operating system to start. It will go to the hard disk and trigger. From hard disk to the operating system comes to the RAM. In that RAM it will be there. 90% of the operating system will be there on the RAM and 10% will be there on the hard disk. Okay, that will be some more person there on the cache memory. Okay, some frequently executed things will be there on the cache memory. Uh, See, this Windows Plus or app data, Microsoft Teams, uh, um, Post. I explained you about Post. Okay, Post expansion power
Yeah.
on self test, which will helpful VMware virtual machine is there on the software. With the help of this, we can install multiple operating systems in a single workstation or a client machine. Okay. ఒకే ఒకే సిస్టంలో ఒకే హార్డ్ డిస్క్లో 2 లేదా 3 ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్స్ మ్యాక్సిమం 3 అప్పుడు కూడా కరప్ట్ అవుతాయి. 2 మ్యాక్సిమం. సో ఆ రెండింటిని యూజ్ చేయాలంటే మనం VMwareని యూజ్ చేస్తాం వర్చువల్ మిషన్. ఓకే. టికెటింగ్ టూల్స్ వాడు
ఒకే
ఏమేమి
ల్యాప్టాప్ లో విండోస్ 8 వాడచ్చు, విండోస్ 10 వాడచ్చా?
వాడచ్చు. VMwareతో వాడచ్చు. VMware ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తే అది ఐసోలేట్ చేస్తుంది, అంటే సపరేట్ చేస్తుంది. 2 మెమరీలు సపరేట్గా ఉన్నట్లు, దానికి దీనికి సంబంధం లేనట్టు, 2 సపరేట్ సిస్టంలో ఉన్నట్టు. సో నువ్వు
అదే ఫస్ట్
అది
ఫస్ట్
VMware అట్లా
రెండు
చేస్తుంది.
రెండు ప్రొఫైల్స్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు ఫస్ట్ లోనే.
మ్మ్.
మనం
నువ్వు నువ్వు
దీంట్లోకైనా
ఆపరేటింగ్
లాగిన్ కావచ్చు.
నువ్వు ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ యూజ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ you installing operating system, then you will go install VMware. That will ask you to separate the memory. For example, you have 1 terabyte, you will separate 512 GB and 512 GB. Then in the first 512 GB, Windows 10 will be there. In that Linux or Windows 8, Windows like that, you can install some other operating system. You can use first time. It will come like one operating system that is there on the first disk. If you escape it, then if you press escape, then next one will come. That password you enter, you can enter into that operating system like that. Okay.
Oh,
See, ticketing tools. See, these two you need to tell, but you need to tell like I have experience on service now only. DMC remedy is for old systems, old companies. For new companies, service now is there presenting the tool. Okay,
sure.
ticketing tool is the application where you can manage incident and requests. See, what is the difference between request and incident?
Which means freshers who joined recently, they will request the customer.
Don't tell
If the
in a indirect manner. Directly you tell it. First time, if request is coming, if first time ticket is
first time
created, that is the
first time that
request.
the customer has created a ticket, then it is their request.
Hmm.
After a week or 1 2 weeks, if they have created a ticket, then it is mentioned as incident.
Hmm. What are the ticketing priority in ticketing tools? Three types will be there: low, mid, high. Okay.
Uh-huh.
See, low is for system slowness, Internet Explorer not working, Outlook, all these things. See,
Hmm.
wait, this time is also over. We will rejoin again last time. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.